Hi everyone, this is Anjum Bhardwaj. I'm a senior makeup artist and trainer at Colorbar, and I'm proud to present Colorbar's own Pro eyelashes. These are eyelashes that are available in 4 variants. And first, let me take you through the packaging. It's absolutely stunning and gorgeous. It comes with its own eyelash glue. Now, what I'm going to take you through is how to actually apply false eyelashes. What are the things that you need? Of course, you need your lashes. You need an eyelash curler, a pair of scissors, tweezer, and your favorite mascara. Let's begin. All lashes come in a standard size. The first thing that you have to do is ensure that the lashes fit your eye size. So what you're going to do is gently grab from the corner, okay? And also remember the lashes, how they are placed is as per your eye, the right and left. So the inside corner, which is the shortest, is of course, with that you can figure out whether it's the right or the left eye. Now, first thing that you have to do is, when I remove the eyelash, I always like to sort of move the band slightly, because see, your eyes are always in a shape, right? It's a shape, and you don't want to spoil the shape, because if the lashes are too straight, they will come out. Okay, they need to adapt to the size of and the shape of the eye. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come a little closer and show you how you can measure. In case you feel that the eyelash is a little longer as per your eye shape, what you do is you snip with your scissor from the outer corner. Never from the inner corner, but from the outer corner is when you snip the extra lash, and then make it customized as per your own size. I'm going to come a little closer and place the eyelash and just see whether this fits my eye shape or not. It actually perfectly fits my eye shape, okay? Because if this is way too low and bent, that means the eyelash is a little longer, so then you can snip it. Now that I've figured that the lashes are of the same size, I'm going to start first with curling the eyelashes. Why is this step important? Because a lot of us have eyelashes that are very straight. When you are wearing false eyelashes, you need to also ensure your natural lashes are curled up, so that both the lashes are together and they don't look separate. Okay, so let's curl our lashes. So how do you curl your lashes? Come closer, as close to the lash line, get the hair in and take it up slightly, and that's how you curl your eyelashes. I'm going to do it on the other eye as well. I'll come a little closer, eyelash curler, get the hair in, take it slightly up, and you're done. After that, next step is apply mascara. Very important, because again, with applying mascara, you're going to ensure with like something like a zoom and whoosh, this is going to take your lashes up, keep it curled up, and then also it adds intensity. We all love intense eyes, especially when you're going to be wearing false eyelashes. And in current situation, of course, most of us are just doing eye makeup, so I think if they look dramatic, it looks really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going with my zoom and whoosh, and I'm going to be applying mascara. And come a little closer and you can have a look. Okay, I'll repeat it on the same thing on the other eye. Now that I've curled my lashes, what the next step is, I'm going to take my eyelash and of course the glue that comes along with that. What you're going to do is, we are going to be taking the glue. I love this eyelash glue. It comes with a beautiful applicator as well. Now right on the rim, if you can see, right at the rim, you're going to be applying the glue, eyelash glue. Coat it nicely. And by the way, all these eyelashes are reusable, so once you are done, remove it from the corner, place these back in the box, and you can reuse it as many times. It's just completely how you keep your eyelashes. So this is not one time, this can be used time and again. Okay, so now that you've got the glue on, what is a trick that I do is, I wait for the glue to dry. I don't immediately apply, and I move my eyelash in this direction. So what happens is like this. See if you can see, I'm moving my eyelash in this direction. What this basically does is, because once the glue starts drying, it starts going to take the shape. So if I keep moving it around, okay, it will still be rounded and curvy, because that's what it was. I wanted to take the shape of the eye. Second thing is, you don't immediately apply, but wait for 30 seconds. What happens is that the glue becomes a little tacky or a little gooey. It sticks better. Okay? Ways of applying this lash. Either take a tweezer, and if it's easier for you to use a tweezer, then you can apply the lash right closest to the lash line, or alternatively you can hold the eyelash from both the corners and then place it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just look slightly little down. Place the eyelash as close to the lash line. That's where it's going to look natural. Okay, hold it and just wait for it to dry. And that's it. I've got one lash on. By the way, the lash that I'm using is 002. It's nice evening look lash. I think, see, look at the difference it makes. I'm going to just quickly finish my second eye. Got both my lashes on. It just looks so stunning, and I think, see, lashes make all the difference. Now another tip is, once you get both the lashes on, just press these with your natural lashes so they don't look separate. Okay, so that's a tip that I'm sharing with you. That's it. Easy and simple. There you go. Colorbar's Pro Eyelashes. Thanks for watching.